In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in to FB Bank. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in fbbank.us. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of FB Bank. You can see over here initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of FB Bank. All you have to do is enter your username and password. Click on the field of username and enter the username over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forget your password, and you'll be able to recover it. After recovering your password, make sure to enter the password over here. Now after you enter your username and password, click on the submit option that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you have to go through the two-factor authentication. If you have enabled it, simply go through the authentication process, enter the OTP sent to your phone number or email. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into FB Bank. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.